Hello there folks, and welcome to Google Tutorials. And today we are starting off with tutorial number 1, the very beginning of this series. And today, getting help, or how to use G Suite training. So what I'm hoping to do today is to give you a little bit of support that will go a very, very long way. Kind of like one of those teach a man how to fish, and he can feed himself for, until he gets tired of fish. Anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to go into a Google document. So I'm going to go File, New, and Document. Now, one of the things that people ask me all the time is, do I have any tutorials? Do I have any cheat sheets? Do I have any guides? And the truth is, yes, I do, and you're watching one right now. But the other truth is that it will take me a very long time to get through everything that is possible in Google. There's just so much. So what I'm going to show you today is how you can help yourself. And if you're in a Google Doc or a Google Slide or a Google Sheet or many of the Google products, you can go up to the top right and you can click on G Suite Training. This is this little question mark here that has a little circle around it with different colors, and that guy is the home for all the G Suite training. When you click on that, you're going to see a pop-out, and there are tons of tutorials in here. There's everything from getting started to sharing and collaborating and more advanced features. So if, for example, I want to know how to insert columns, something that you may want to do, there's a tutorial on inserting columns. And the great thing about this,
to insert columns into your document, begin by clicking the Format menu.
And the great thing about this is the fact that it is actually interactive. So it will wait for you to click on certain spots. It'll tell you where to click. There is audio in it. Obviously, there's some video in here. When I click on Format, it will go to the next spot.
Next, click on Columns.
And so on and so forth. So this is a great way to teach yourself how to use any of the Google products. I'm going to cancel this here.
To insert columns into your document.
And I'm going to move on to the next thing. So that's one way and one thing you can do. But the other thing is Google itself. If you go to Google and do a Google search, for example, YouTube, Google Docs, how to insert columns. If I do a search for that, it's going to show me a whole bunch of YouTube videos. And if I click on this YouTube video, for example, it's going to show me how to insert columns in documents. Now, some of this is going to be hit or miss. Obviously, some will be better than others, but probably you're going to find what you're looking for. So those are two really great ways that you can help yourself. First, G Suite training, tons of tutorials in here, interactive, showing you how to do all those things you want to do. And then also just go ahead and Google it and you'll be surprised what you can find.